Looking for smart kitchen gadgets without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm showing you 5 must-have kitchen tools under $30 on Amazon for 2026. These picks will save you time, space, and effort every single day. And the best part, every product link is in the description below. So if something catches your eye, go check it out before it's gone. Let's jump in. Product 5, DIY Mag Magnetic Hooks, 30-amp heavy-duty set. Tangled tools and cluttered counters waste time and patience. Fridge doors or locker walls lack reliable heavy-duty hanging options. Rust and weak hooks fail in marine or outdoor conditions. Events and workshops suffer from unstable displays and falling items. Buying multiple single hooks becomes expensive and disorganized quickly. DIY Mag hooks feature high-grade neodymium magnets for exceptional holding. Each chrome-plated hook supports over 30 pounds securely. Corrosion-resistant finish ensures reliable performance on boats and outdoors. Threaded, removable J-hook offers quick, secure installation and adjustment. Compact low-profile base saves space while holding heavy items. 20-pack provides versatile placement across kitchen, classroom, and garage. Organized tools, cables, and lights with confident drill-free mounting. Save time. Finding items and reduce workspace clutter immediately. Durable magnetic hold keeps gear safe during travel and cruising. Check the product link in the description. Product 4, Multifunctional Vegetable Peeler 2-pack. Tired of stubborn peels and ruined vegetables every time? Dull peelers slip, waste food, and make prep a chore. Hand cramps after peeling a few potatoes? Not fun. Meet the multifunctional wooden handle peeler with bottle opener. Ultra-sharp stainless steel blade slices thin, precise, low-waste peels. Ergonomic non-slip wooden handle reduces hand fatigue for longer use. Built-in bottle opener adds party-ready convenience instantly now. Perfect for home cooks, busy kitchens, and party hosts. Watch it glide through apples, potatoes, carrots without jamming. Integrated eye remover cleans out blemishes in one quick pass. Durable stainless steel stays sharp and cleans easily. Less waste, smoother prep, faster meals week after week. Chefs love the reliable pivot blade for high-volume prep. Upgrade your kitchen toolkit. Grab a 2-piece set today. Questions? Click the link in the description to see the product. Product 3, Fullstar Original Pro Chopper 2-in-1 White. I miss the quiet hum of family dinners. Between work and school, cooking felt like a lost ritual. Then I found the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper. 5-cup capacity dices vegetables in just 30 seconds. So dinners that once took hours now take minutes. Top rack dishwasher safe. Cleanup becomes a small kindness. Razor-sharp 420 stainless blades make every cut effortless. Non-skid base and soft grip handle for steady, safe prep. Its compact design tucks into drawers, no hassle. I felt proud serving healthy meals again, easily. It's the gift my mom actually uses every day. Classic dicing model, choose other variations for slicing needs, perfect for busy cooks, meal preppers, and home kitchens. It turned rushed nights into warm, shared moments. Bring home the Fullstar Pro Chopper, cook love faster. Find the product link in the description below. Product 2, Uinkson Jar Opener Easy Twist Grip Blue. You don't need brute strength to open stubborn jar lids. I'm a kitchen accessibility expert, wrist strain is avoidable. Traditional rubber openers slip, electric models are bulky and unreliable. Meet Uinkson Jar Opener, designed for weak hands and seniors. Triangular, translucent body, long ergonomic handle for superior leverage. Sharp, dual stainless steel sawtooth grips lids firmly without cutting. Opens lids from 5mm up to 135mm, covers most jars. Long handle applies lever law, reducing hand force dramatically. Unlike rubber grips, Uinkson's metal teeth never slip under torque. Built from stainless steel and PC plastic for lasting durability. One-handed use breaks vacuum seals, protects wrists and hands. Clients report effortless openings, faster meal prep, less pain. Perfect practical gift for grandparents, arthritis sufferers, caregivers, friends. We guarantee quality. Contact us for replacements or refunds. Visit the link in the description for full details. Product 1, Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnet Cooking Guide. Dinner disaster, charred chicken, soggy fries, guests staring in disbelief. I blamed the air fryer, swore it betrayed my cooking dreams. Kitchen chaos ensued until a tiny magnetic booklet caught my eye. Flip it open and the mystery of perfect timing solved. Air fryer, cheat sheet magnet guide. 6 by 7 inches compact color, tabs for bakery, poultry, meats, vegetables, frozen. Quick reference, magnetic back, mounts to fridge, saves counter space. Instantly. Reusable liners, cut mess and oil. Gilt. Like magic, waterproof laminated pages, survive splatters, chaos, and frantic cooks. Wrapped with bow. Perfect Mother's Day present that actually helps. No more guessing temperatures or ruining family dinners ever again. Crispy fries, tender, chicken, perfect roasts every single time. My guests assumed I hired a private chef. Ton. Get the air fryer cheat sheet magnet guide you need. Click buy, add gift wrap, impress every mom, wife, grandma today. See the product for yourself using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.